Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about the price of Chanel Classic Flap Bag and whether it's still worth to spend the money on this item, and I hope that you will like this video and will find it interesting. By the way guys, please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. I post 2 to 3 times a week and I also share my Insta stories. And please also consider checking out my Instagram account. I posted quite a few videos about Cartier, Van Cleef & Arpels, Bulgari, Rolex, luxury tips and mistakes, Dior, jewelry, weekly vlogs, style and fashion, Chanel bags, luxury shopping vlogs, beauty products, and travel videos. If 2 years ago someone told me that the price of Chanel Classic Flap Bag will become so expensive and that the brand will be implementing Hermes's game, in other words, asking to buy items in order to qualify to purchase the Chanel Classic Flap Bag, I don't think I would believe them. I would say no way, at least not in such a short period of time. I never expected the brand to continue to increase prices in the middle of pandemic. If you're not new to my channel and you have been watching me for a while, you know I'm a huge fan of Chanel Classic Flap Bag. I have been collecting it in different colors and sizes, and I absolutely love the classic look of this bag. I love everything about this bag. The quilts, the logo, the stitching, the shape. It's just so beautiful. I never get tired of it. I really love the woven chain. It's so beautiful. It looks so special, elegant and feminine. Actually, I think the chain would be my absolute favorite part of the bag. And I have to say, Chanel Classic Flap Bag is the only design that I love for over 20 years. I tend to fall in and out of love with different designs and styles, but I feel like this style will be forever in my heart. I also like the fact that because of its shape, I can literally take this bag anywhere. I can wear it when going to work, running my errands, meeting my friends, going grocery shopping, even traveling. It will always look appropriate. I previously posted quite a few videos. I compared different sizes, jumbo, medium, small and mini, and I will also link them down for you guys in case you want to check them out. I have to say I love the durability of these bags. Most of my bags look brand new, and I typically try to go for caviar leather, and I actually posted quite a few videos that I will link down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check them out. I love the fact that the hardware doesn't tarnish and that the leather is so durable. The bag doesn't fall apart after a while, and I have been wearing my bags non-stop, and before the pandemic I used to even travel with my bags, and I can't even see any signs of wear and tear. Even after so many years, it still looks brand new, and that's why I appreciate the quality, and that's why I ended up collecting quite a few of them. Unlike of my LV bags, the hardware on this tarnished 6 months after the purchase, and now I would have to spend extra money to restore them. I absolutely appreciate the versatility of this bag. I can actually carry it in 5 different ways, and I spoke about it in some of my videos, which I will link down for you guys. I don't want to repeat it. If you watched it several times, it will become boring for you. I can carry it in my hands. It's so beautiful. I can just shorten the strap even more and carry it like a clutch. I don't see this kind of versatility from other brands. Usually there are maximum 2 to 3 ways of how you can carry a bag from other brands, but Chanel Classic Flap Bag can be so versatile. Actually, at the beginning of last year, I posted the video and I was saying that Chanel will be rolling out this game, copying Hermes' strategy, and I can see they are embracing the strategy even further. Sales associates are starting to ask clients to buy other things, for example, shoes, accessories, ready-to-wear items, maybe some other seasonal bags, in order to qualify. The stores don't even have Chanel classic flap bags on displays. There are only seasonal pieces. I will definitely miss these good old days when we could come into the store and just buy the bag that we liked. It seems like we are almost forced to play a game if we want to purchase a classic flap. But I'm not someone who likes to play games. I wouldn't go extra miles to try to purchase the bag. If I don't want to buy anything from the store, I simply will not buy it. Of course, it's not going to be equally difficult to get the bag in all the countries. Even in the case of Hermes, in some countries it's a lot easier to purchase the bag, and some people don't even have to spend 1-to-1 or 1.5-to-1, which is fantastic. And in some countries, you can just walk in and purchase a bag. It depends on your luck and availability. It will be interesting to see if Chanel will be a bit more flexible. Of course, if you like a lot of items from the store and you would naturally purchase them anyways, why not? It doesn't make any difference. But if you don't like anything from the store, then that's a problem. You're literally blowing your money. The price of the bag on the pre-loved market has started increasing a little bit. Of course, it will take time for it to increase significantly. Probably it will take a few years. To think about it, technically Chanel doesn't even have to continue with their steep increases. If Chanel is going to limit how many bags a sales gets per year, of course sales associates will have to ask clients to spend more. They will ask them to meet the quota, otherwise they can't justify to sell a bag to this customer. If this rule will be adopted in every single country, this will definitely increase the price on the pre-loved market by a lot, because people would naturally want to recover what they paid for the bag. Exactly what's happening with Hermes, Birkin or Kelly bags. One thing is for sure, the prices are not going to get lower. I feel like there is still this opportunity to purchase these bags on pre-loved market in brand new like condition, and I myself purchased 2 bags like that, and I absolutely love them and wear them so often. There are still some beautiful bags out there, but of course you have to be careful to make sure that the item is not a super fake. At least it's going to take a while, maybe a few years, before the whole strategy will settle. And of course, brands will have to work a bit harder to elevate their product even more. It's not easy for people to just go and blow so much more money on a bag that just a couple of years used to cost almost 40% less. It's a very huge increase and it's quite hard to justify it. Unfortunately, not every single bag that Chanel sells is in pristine condition like it used to be. Some bags still have some defects, imperfections. So for example, a glue stain, some mark, a scratch, which is quite disappointing. This issue actually makes it very hard to purchase the bag via someone. So for example, I could ask my family member or a friend to buy it for me from overseas, or I could buy it from a reseller, but I no longer feel like I can do that. I feel like the brand should definitely invest in quality control, probably hire more people, make sure there are strict rules that are being followed. We don't want to spend this kind of money and receive a product that is faulty. However, now Chanel started making some baby steps to improve its after-sales customer service. They are finally offering 5 years of warranty for every handbag that was purchased from April of 2021, which is great. They also started providing bag spa services for the black classic flap bags. Well, I feel like it shouldn't just apply to the black bags because we still like bags in other colors. They all cost the same amount of money, and it's a lot harder to restore bags in other colors. I watch quite a few YouTubers that are saying, okay, you can move on to other brands, just buy something else. Well, I used to do that in the past. In the past, I used to assume that Chanel Classic Flap Bag is so unaffordable, and I just went and I spent my money on other brands such as Prada and Gucci, and I purchased the items that I did not really love. And in the end, I ended up regretting not purchasing something that I really liked. And I wish I could go back in time and just buy whatever I wanted instead of all these bags from Prada and Gucci. I regret having them in my collection, and they don't even hold the value. If I want to sell them right now, I probably will not be able to recover even 70% from these bags because nobody wants them. And they are seasonal as well. I think, judging from my previous experience, I probably would not go that route to buy substitutes and distract myself because I know this doesn't really work. I think if I had to start over now, I would add the bags that are essential to me. For example, I would definitely purchase it in a black color. I would probably buy it in some colorful shades, maybe pink and beige, and of course white. White is my absolute favorite color. And then I would probably be done with the brand. Of course, I would still purchase some ready-to-wear items. But even ready-to-wear has become so expensive, it's very hard to justify the new prices. I'm not someone who would buy seasonal Chanel Classic Flap bags as well. I don't like many designs. Of course, I have some in my collection, but I'm not a huge fan of them. There aren't many designs that I would definitely consider. I think I could still add some rectangular mini bags. I absolutely love this size. I have been wearing this bag non-stop, and I like that it's so light, and especially nowadays when we are working from home, I don't really have to have bigger bags and carry many items inside, and this size works perfectly for me. And even this size is pretty versatile. I can still shorten the strap. I can even tie it with a ribbon on the inside and create a clutch from it or carry it in my hand, which is so cute. Anyways guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you liked it and found it interesting. Please share your thoughts about the price of Chanel Classic Flap Bag, and if you are going to purchase it in the future, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!